Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Finding the Compose button in Gmail is the first step to sending an email. On your computer, look at the top left corner of the screen. You will see a large button with a colorful plus sign inside it. It usually says the word Compose right next to the plus sign. This button stays at the top of your sidebar menu. If you do not see the sidebar, click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to expand it. On a mobile phone or tablet, the layout is different. Open the Gmail app on your iPhone or Android device. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will see a floating circular button. This button often has a colorful plus sign or a small pencil icon on it. Sometimes the word Compose appears next to it on larger screens. Tap this button once to start a new message. If you are using a mobile browser instead of the app, the button is still usually at the top or bottom with a plus icon. Some people use the Gmail shortcut key to find it faster. Just press the letter C on your keyboard while your inbox is open. This will instantly open a new message window. If none of these options work, check if your browser zoom is too high. Sometimes a high zoom hides the side menu or the buttons. Reset your zoom to 100% to see everything clearly. Now you know exactly where to find the Compose button on any device you use for Gmail.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.